Welcome to our complete guide on using FL Studio on Android. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to kickstart your music production journey right from your mobile device. Let's begin with setting up FL Studio. First, download the app from the Google Play Store and initiate the installation process. Once installed, we'll configure the settings to optimize your experience. Now, let's navigate the interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the mixer, playlist, and piano roll, to maximize your workflow. Ready to create your first project? Follow these steps to start a new session and lay down those initial tracks. Next, let's explore the built-in sounds. Discover how to access instruments and samples that will bring your music to life. Now that we have sounds in place, it's time to arrange your music. Learn techniques to organize your tracks and sections efficiently. Let's dive into mixing. Discover how to apply audio effects and mix your tracks to achieve a polished sound. Finally, it's time to export your track. I'll show you how to save and share your music projects effortlessly. Before we wrap up, here are some essential tips and tricks to improve your workflow and make the most out of FL Studio. Thank you for joining us on this FL Studio journey. For additional help and resources, check the links in the description below.